Hey there, welcome to the world of Odoo, the all-in-one business management solution. Are you tired of juggling multiple softwares for multiple departments? Don't worry, Odoo has got your back. Odoo actually helps to simplify your business operation and streamlines your workflow. Odoo is a fully integrated software with 100% proven products. Inside Odoo, you have modules from sales to marketing as well as inventory to accounting. Cybrosys has been their trusted partner for 15 plus years. At Cybrosys, we do customization, implementation as well as consultation of Odoo software. By switching your business to Odoo, you can simplify all the manual tasks that you have been doing so far. Now let me take you through some of the key features of Odoo. So the first feature or simply the module is CRM. Similar to CRM, we have other modules also like sales, purchase, inventory, accounting and so on. So let's begin with CRM. CRM is simply customer relationship management, and by using this single module, you can actually manage your opportunities, leads and customer relationship. And by using the sales module, you can manage the sale order, quotation, all such things. Odoo has a very good inventory module through which you can actually manage your stock and stock moves. The manufacturing process can be done in a very easy way using the manufacturing module of Odoo. In every firm, accounting is the most inevitable and important part. And so, to manage accounting, Odoo has a very efficient accounting module. Through this, you can manage customer invoices, vendor bills, and so much more. Project management is another module in Odoo through which you can manage the projects. You can also create and manage and also access different tasks corresponding to each of the projects. Managing the HR activities has now become easy once you start using Odoo. Here in the HR management, you have payroll, time off, attendance, and so much more. You can even create your company's own website using Odoo's website builder. Creating an online store, selling products and managing products is now possible using e-commerce in Odoo. Now let's take a look at the benefits of using Odoo. Odoo has a very improved efficiency as well as productivity. That is, it helps you to improve the communication and collaboration between your team. Odoo is scalable and open source, which means it's free. You can use it, you can customize it and modify it based on your needs, and it's also scalable, which means you can adapt it. That is, Odoo can adapt to your system. Odoo is also a very good cost saver and it has enhanced decision making. Odoo is known for its flexibility, scalability and ease to use. It can be customized to fit your business regardless the size of your business. Odoo has a large community of users and developers who constantly contribute for its development and ongoing. Are you ready to experience the power of Odoo? Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.